according to CAA triad. So these are the cyber security principles. You must know it: confidentiality, integrity, availability. What is meant by confidentiality? So only authorized persons can access the information. So it is kept secret and only accessible to authorized individuals. Then integrity, this principle ensures that data is accurate, complete and consistent. Availability, the data is presented in all the systems and it is available 24/7. So CAA triad is very popular, very famous. According to the cyber security, ABC of cyber security. Please listen 1 minute. This is ABC of cyber security. All participants, you must follow the ABC of cyber security rules and regulations. See, A stands for always log out after online transactions. B stands for be careful what you click. C stands for clear cookies and delete browsing history at the end of each session. D stands for do not carry your PIN number in wallets. E stands for enlighten yourself on cyber security measures. F stands for follow basic rules of social networking to protect online relationships. G stands for giving your personal information online is not advisable. H stands for you can use always HTTPS, not HTTP. Hypertext transfer protocol security, HTTPS you must prepare. Then I stands for install latest antivirus protection. J stands for join hands to stop spreading fake news. K stands for keep software updated. L stands for lock your devices when not in use. M stands for monitor your accounts for any suspicious activity. N stands for never believe forwarded message without checking source. O stands for only install apps and softwares from trusted sources. P stands for pay extra attention when using public Wi-Fi, especially in a railway station, bus station. Don't use Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. And Q stands for quarantine all unused apps. R stands for report to public in case of cybercrime. S stands for scan any downloaded file before opening or using or installing. T stands for think before you can click. U stands for use strong passwords with the personal acronym. V stands for verify with whom you are interacting online. W stands for watch out for online scams. X stands for extra precautions for your online financial transactions. Y stands for your precautions will make you cyber safe. Z stands for zero participation in dark web. This is about the ABC of cyber security. Then what is meant by terminology, jargon of cyber security? See, antivirus. Antivirus is a software that is designed to detect and stop and remove viruses and other kinds of malicious software. Then cyber security is a way of protecting system, server, data center against from the cyber criminals. Firewall. Firewall is a hardware or software which uses defined rule set to constrain network traffic to prevent unauthorized access to a network. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware attack. So, see, unusable until the victim makes payment. Ransom, you know, it is $1 of Russia currency. So, one of the Russia student, what he has done, he is releasing ransomware attack, that is a malware attack into your system. It will block your system. You are unable to log into your system. So that's why you need to pay the ransom. Then only he will allow to enter into your system. You need to pay the ransom. Ransom is a currency of Russia. Then two-factor authentication. Nowadays, we are using two-factor authentication like a fingerprint and a signature and digits we are keeping password. Then botnet is a infected devices connected to the internet used to commit or coordinated cyber attacks without their owner's knowledge. That is called botnet. Denial of service. It is one of the attack. Legitimate users are denied access to computer services by overloading the service with the request. Number of requests you are performing on the same system or server or data center. Denial of service. Then Internet of Things. Collection of real-time objects in a network is called IoT with help of sensors. We are creating IoT applications. Then software as a service. It is one of the type in cloud computing major services. Then water holing attack. Then followed by the bring your own device, BYOD. Then digital footprint, macro, social engineering, whaling, cloud. Cloud is nothing but internet-based technology. Encryption is a mathematical function that protects information by making it unreadable by everyone except those with the key to decode it. That is called encryption. Patching, applying updates to firmware or software to improve security or enhance functionality by using patchings. Spear phishing, whitelisting, cyber attack, end user device, phishing. Phishing is an untargeted mass email sent to many people asking for sensitive information or encouraging them to visit a fake website. That is called phishing. Then Trojan. Trojan is a type of malware or virus disguised as legitimate software that is used to hack into the victim's computer. Then 0 day. Recently discovered vulnerabilities and are bugs. Vulnerabilities is nothing but bugs, not yet known to vendors or antivirus companies that hackers can exploit. This is about a terminology or jargon of cyber security.